Hey guys, it's ZIYA from ZIYA, and today I'm going to be showing you how I edit my thumbnails using iMovie, PicsArt, and photos. So keep in mind that I edit the videos in my thumbnail on my iPad, then transfer it to my laptop and post it from there. If you want to see that process, I will put it in a different video. So first step is to go to photos and make sure you have the photos that you would like to put on your video. So I have the apps that I'm using, just the icons. I screenshotted it and then cropped. And then I'm going to be using a background and text and all that good stuff. But basically, these are the 3 photos that I'm going to be pasting. If you want to have more, like if you see on my gaming thumbnails, I have my face, text, and all that stuff. So basically, let's go to PicsArt now. And once you open the PicsArt app, it is also free, by the way, so I love it. You can edit your videos on the PicsArt app, but I recommend using PicsArt or iMovie. So go to this plus at the bottom, purple pink plus, and basically you're going to go down to free photos or color backgrounds. I use free photos for thumbnails, but I use color backgrounds for any text that goes into the videos. So let's go to see all, and then these are all the thumbnails you can use. Now, if you get one that's up and down like this, do not use it. You're going to have to find one that is sideways. So you just have to keep clicking on some random one and find one that works for you, that you know that is cute, but it is also sideways. Because if you use an up and down one, then when you upload to YouTube, that's not going to be fun. Alright guys, so I found this space one, and I love space. I want to be in the space field when I grow up anyways. But this is a really nice thumbnail. So after you do this, you're going to go find on the bottom where it says add photo. It's the 9th one, so you click that and you're going to pick the 3 photos you want. So here are the 3 photos. It's going to adjust them for you. But please don't use this adjustment, because I'm going to really know what this adjustment, like I would never do this. Okay, so PicsArt's the main one, like really the app around right now. So that's the one I'm going to put at the top. And then I'm going to have and photos. So I'm going to adjust them kind of in like a pyramid kind of form, kind of like that. So after you do that, I'm going to be needing to add some text. But just to make it a little fancier, first you're going to press sticker, which is on the bottom, and you're going to search rectangle. So after you search rectangle, you're going to get all of these options. And then you're going to pick one that looks similar to this one. You're going to pick a similar one to this one. So let me see what I can pick. Do not pick a square, pick a rectangle. It needs to be sideways. Or if it's up and down, that's not really a good option. So I think I like this one right here, the dark, not my microphone just falling. So I like this dark green one, which is up here, this one right here. So click on it, and of course it's gonna load sideways, but just use 2 fingers and turn it. Wow. And then zoom in and make sure it doesn't cover any of your photos, but do something identical to this and then just click off of it. So even though it looks like it's gonna come off from the bottom, it's not going to, okay? Just trust the process. Now go to the text, which was next to the sticker, and put your text. So mine is how to edit, I can't spell edit your photos using PicsArt. So it's basically PicsArt, but you know, yeah. So and then you can use anything. You will be able to figure out this part on how to do this, and you can just resize it with 2 fingers. And this is my favorite part. You get to pick the font and color. I love fonts. They are one of the greatest inventions. So don't use the first font. That's gross. But there are a lot of fonts. If there's a crown on it, that means you have to pay money. But there are a lot of ones that you don't. Like, look at this cute one, and you don't have to pay money. So I'm gonna do this one, okay? So after I did this one, I can pick a different color if I do want a different color. Like if I want to pick a different color. So what would you do if you wanted a color that's on the screen? You're going to go ahead and click the little thing right over here that I just colored in. And once you click that, you'll be able to do. So if I want a white, then it would be white, the text. If I wanted the color of the background, like this color, then it's gonna become that color. And then there's many things you can do. You can do a gradient color. You can do a texture color. There is just so many possibilities you can do with this. And I love that. But I'm gonna be going ahead and doing this color. And then I'm gonna stroke it and make a white stroke, and there we go. So I am really loving this. Then this is where the magic is gonna happen, and not all of the random stuff at the bottom. If you click apply, and all that stuff in the bottom goes away, and it is beautiful. The thumbnail. This is how I make my thumbnails, all of them. It should not take more than 10 minutes. I don't know how long the video has been, but it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Then you're gonna click next. It's gonna give you some money stuff. You're gonna click next and then save. And then click download photos, save picture to device. And it's not gonna enter those folders. Gonna add here, and now it is a photo on my device. Then this is just a brief tutorial, but you would go to photos and you're gonna go and add your thumbnail, and here we go. So basically it's gonna move iMovie, but if you click on it and then click the Ken Burns, it won't move it. See? So there you go. And that is how to edit your photos using PicsArt, iMovie, and Photos. If you have any questions, comments, make sure to put it in the comment box down below. There is a description that you should read. But I'm going to start making the paragraph shorter because I don't have that much to tell you guys. I'm just going to be doing my FAQ and everything like that. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that share button. Share it to your friends and family, and make sure to check out Thang. And this is a beginner tutorial. I don't make all my thumbnails like this, but here's a beginner tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a great day.